Hi, this is PokeLegoCuber, and I'm going to show you my 3x2x1 in progress, the tutorial by redkb. Well, it's almost done. I'm done with the 2x2x1 part of it. It doesn't turn really well, so I'm going to have to sand it even more. So, two of the pieces are already broke, so I'm going to show you one. All I need is super glue to super glue them back, and I'm going to focus right here. As you can't really see, but I'm gonna try to get some light. Just hold on. You can't really see. Hold on. Yes, much better. This. This piece goes with this piece perfectly. So all I need is super glue to super glue them back. And last time I wanted to show you this on my other phone. It's like this Rubik's Cube thing. Like I said, it went on, wallpaper screensaver. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait right now. I'm gonna pause this video right here, and I'm gonna come back to you when it starts showing. Well, I'm back, but if I leave my phone out and I leave it paused for a really long time, it will automatically stop this video, save it like that. So yeah. Now, here it goes. Look, here it goes. What? I can't really read it. Well, it says Rubik's Cube. Let me shut the lights off. Yeah, now you see it. It says Rubik's Cube. So that's cool. It's just the text, and you just text it, and it keeps going. I hope you enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see this tutorial on the bottom, look in the description below, and have a nice day.